Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get your WhatsApp link. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So go ahead and open up WhatsApp. And as you can see here, wherever you go, you can't see any link or share link option. So what do? Just go ahead and open up a chat. Like for example, my wife right here, I'm just going to tap on her name. Now, if you want to share, type in wa.me/+ then your phone number, and do include your country code. All right. For example, I'm from the Philippines, so I'm going to use +639 and that number. All right. Just go ahead and type it down. And once done, go ahead and tap on the send button. And once that's done, when I tap on this link right here, I'm going to tap on it. As you can see, as easy as that, you can now go ahead and invite someone that got this number or tap on chat now. All right, another option to create your link is by opening up a messaging app. Okay, for example, Messenger right here. Just gonna open it up, and then I'm gonna open up a chat. For example, my wife again, right here. I'm gonna tap on message with the same set of link wa.me/+ and the number. Again, don't forget the country code. As you can see here, it's creating a link. Just like that, I'm going to go ahead and hit on enter or send. And here we have our link. There you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.